Hi everybody, welcome to my video today. I just have a really fun project I want to share with you guys. This is the holiday catalog. You guys are probably familiar with this. We've been working with product out of this catalog for a while. Last month I placed an order with Stampin' Up. I had to close out a workshop and I had some free product and there was nothing really left that I was on my list, and so I was looking through here and I saw this product and I thought, well, I guess I'll give it a try. I'm trying to find it here in the catalog for you guys. So this product right here. And I'm going to show you guys this in person because I have it here, but I just want to show you guys in the catalog because as I was flipping through the catalog and I was thinking, okay, what can I get that, you know, maybe intrigues me, but maybe wasn't on my list? This is what I saw immediately. So this is the Most Wonderful Time product melody, which means there's a whole bunch of product in here. And so I was like, okay, I'll grab it. It comes with the stamp set, the die, the designer papers, some ribbon, embellishments. So I ordered it. I got this product and I was blown away, you guys. This product is gorgeous. So let's zoom in and I want to share with you guys what everything looks like, and then I'm going to share with you 12 cards that I'm offering you guys today in a mega class that I'm doing simply because this product was so beautiful. So here's the stamp set here. And these images are meant to look like watercolored images, which is really fun because I like the look of watercoloring, but I'm not great at it. So anytime I have a stamp set that's going to help me be able to do that, I'm all over it. So then my dies are right in here. I just put them on a magnet sheet and then I attached it to my stamp set. I don't always do that, but for this one particular, I did. So here's the stamp set, and you can see one of my stamps are missing because I'm using it on a different project today. You get the dies and then you get the stamps, which is fabulous. It's a cute set anyways. I love the sentiments. And then let me show you all the different things you get in the kit. So you can see that I have all these scraps because I literally love this paper so much. I'm keeping every sliver of it so that I can do more with it. But what you get is this 6x6 paper. You get 48 sheets. These sheets have foil on them. So I didn't even realize that looking at it in the catalog. I didn't realize that any of this was foiled. So when I opened this paper up, I was blown away. And the great thing is that you don't get like just 4 each of each design and then a bunch of different designs. You actually get 8 each of each design. So because you can't get this paper separate from the whole bundle of product, it's really nice that you get more of the designs so that you can create a little bit. Like I've created, I'm going to show you 12 cards. I did a card on my Facebook Live today. It's Monday when this video is going up. I did a card on my Facebook Live using this paper, and then I have a whole simply layered scrapbook page coming out at the end of the week using this product. I mean, I couldn't believe it. I've used this product so much. So then there's this design here, which is, again, has the foil on this side. And then on the back, it has this. The colors that coordinate with this are Old Olive and Cherry Cobbler, which are just fabulous for Christmas. So there's this one with the gifts, which you can cut out, you can hand cut out, and they're made to look watercolored as well. And then these images are some of the images that are in the stamp set. And then there's the bows on the back. So this is one of my favorite sheets. Then there's this sheet here with the trees. And then the candy canes on the back. And then I love this sheet right here. These two are probably, I just love them. I wish I had 12 by 12 sheets of this. So here's the candy canes. So beautiful, lots of foiling. On the back is just stripes. And then there's this stripes, which has the foil. So much foil on this one. You can see I only have like 2 sheets left of this because I've used it so much. And then there's green stars on that. So that's the designer paper. And again, like you guys can see, like I'm keeping every single scrap to use. So the next thing that you get are these foil what you can use as card bases, but honestly, I've used them just as paper. Like I've cut these up and used them on cards you're gonna see just as paper, but you get several of these different designs, the stripes, the stars, and they're all foiled as well. And this is gold foil, which is nice because we have a lot of copper foiled stuff, I feel like, in the catalog. So this gold foil is awesome. So then you get 7 different sticker sheets, and you can see that I've used some of these. I have quite a bit left over. I love the candy canes. So you get that, and then these banners, and then you get these, and then some trees. And then this is the same design as in the stamp set. So the great thing about this stamp set is you have this tree right here, which you will see that I have stamped and I've watercolored, but then you also have this tree where you can just stamp. This actually is my favorite one, and I did several cards using this one because it's just so easy and it looks so beautiful. But you do have the option to stamp that and color it, and it turns out beautiful as well. So you get the 7 sticker sheets, and then we're not even done with what you get in this. So the next thing you're going to get is this entire roll of ribbon. And it's this really beautiful, it has like this wire in it, so where you think it might not be as easy to work with because it's this like tinsel stuff, it actually is really easy to work with, and I ended up loving it. So there's that in gold, and then you also get these gold star embellishments, which I tried to not use a ton of because I wanted to be able to show you guys them on the video. So there's those. So let's look at these cards that I created. I made 12, and I am offering a mega class. In recent days, I have been offering mini classes, but this product is so beautiful. I wanted you guys to have a benefit of ordering it and getting it. And so what I've done is I've created 12 different cards using this product. When you sign up for the mega class, you will get all of the product in the product melody. So you will get all of the designer paper, you'll get the stamp set, you'll get the die set, and then you're gonna get 12 card kits from me. So there's gonna be foiled pieces in there. There is going to be some of these beautiful, let me grab the card that I did on. Oh, right here. You're gonna get some gold stars to use on this card. We're going to be doing some watercoloring. I do some heat embossing in these cards, but you don't have to do heat embossing if you don't want to. So you'll get all of the card bases, all of the pieces to make the card. This sentiment is stamped. It's like a tone-on-tone effect. There you go. You don't have to do the heat embossing if you don't want, but I do some heat embossing on there so you can see that. I share some watercoloring techniques. We use some vellum and some gold foil. These cards just came out beautiful. So you get 12 card kits, and then you'll get 12 envelopes to go with that. I will have probably 2 to 4 pre-recorded videos to show you how to do this. I'll probably do several cards in one video. So you'll get pre-recorded videos to show you how to put all of these cards together. You'll have all of the pieces to put them all together. And then you will have an exclusive PDF that will show you all of the measurements. There will be photos so you can see how the cards are put together. You'll have measurements. And then as a free gift for everybody who signs up for the mega class, you will get a set of these, the green and the red glimmer dots that I use all of the time. These are glimmer enamel dots. We use them on the cards. There's a couple places where I suggest using them on the card. We will be using the red ones because those coordinate with this. The green you can use on some of these, but they are garden green, and the color really that coordinates with this is Old Olive, but you'll be able to use these. You guys know I use these in everything. I love my glitter enamel dots. So that is the options for the mega class. I hope you guys will join. I am limiting this to only 12 people because it's 12 card kits and I do all of the cutting and the prepping and the shipping by myself. So I don't want to be I don't want you guys to have to wait for a long time to get this. I really want to be able to get this out to you and for you guys to be able to make these. These will be beautiful for your Christmas cards with all the gold foiling. I love the classic colors of the gold and the red and the green, and these just make beautiful cards. I cannot get over how beautiful this designer paper is and how fun it was to create during the time that our power was out. I just sat one day and I made all these cards and could not stop playing with this product. So the options to sign up are below. You can click in the YouTube description below and sign up. Again, the option is to sign up for the mega class or just the PDF. So you'll get the PDF and the videos. So those are the two options below. I hope that you will enjoy these cards as much as I love them. These are going to be my Christmas cards that will go out this year, because they're just too pretty. I love them. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'll be back tomorrow with a Facebook rewind and then some fun projects coming up at the end of the week, where on Memory Keeping Friday, I'll be using this paper to do a simply layered page with you that came out beautiful. So thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.